Hey, Eric with TED Talks Automation here. Going to talk about solar automation, something we're pretty excited about. We had an option for this back probably end of last year, into the beginning of this year. That option was closed down. It was a company we were affiliating with. We've had a lot of people still coming to us asking to get into it and trying to get their own solar automation business going. So we've been building this out for the last 7 or 8 months. We're at the time where we're able to release it now. It's pretty exciting. I'm going to put a link to our page below, and I'm going to go through the page in a second and kind of show you the pitch deck a little bit on there, but you'll be able to go through it at your own speed. And then at the bottom, there's a video showing the back end that we've built out. So we have a developer that's come on and he's built out a whole back end system where you're going to be able to log in there and have your own dashboard, see the leads, see your budget that's in there, be able to see where they're at when permits are pulled, when the job goes into install. All those things will be in there. You'll be able to even like log in, or even be able to see the houses and look at overhead view of see where they're at, like satellite pictures with the roof. You're gonna be able to see your wallet and how much balance you have in there, and you'll be able to recharge that as needed. So if you want to continue to grow, you can just go in there and just recharge the balance, and we just keep the leads flowing for you. We've partnered with one of the largest solar companies in the country. They've got so we're getting some of their top salespeople in our system to sell for us, which is pretty awesome. So we've got a whole system set up with appointment setters, closers, the install teams, everything to get these jobs done. We're going to be buying leads in primarily probably 4 or 5 to 6 states right now. Some of the states that have the best deals for homeowners, and some of the states that have like some of these states that have short permitting times or online permitting, where they can get these jobs done to hopefully get you paid out quickly. So pretty exciting stuff. It's been something we've been working on a while, and we're really excited for it. I am going to share my screen here and just kind of show you, I'll just kind of go through a little bit of the solar here. Let me just share. All right, so solar automation, pretty much just you purchase the leads, we close the deal, you get paid. So we've got the whole back-end system. It's solar business in a box. You fund the ad spend. We have our team go to work, start calling, doing all the follow-up. We have a lot of automations going on in there, and they get that. Then they get it over to the closing teams, where it gets permits pulled, get the install done, and it all, like, typical timeline is typically like anywhere from like 3 to 6 months, depending. Some states can take longer. We're trying to focus on the states where it's shorter and get you paid quicker. So hopefully this whole process can happen where you get paid out within like 3-4 months on average, but some can take a little bit longer. A little income disclaimer: any earnings or income or earning statements or examples of income or earnings are only estimates of what we think you could earn. There are no assurances that you will do as well as stated in any examples. If you rely on any of the figures provided, you must accept the entire risk of not doing as well as the information provided. You can read this on the page when you get in there. Solar is massive. Over 2 million systems installed. I guess the country right now, we're at like 3 or 4% for solar. They want to get to like 30 to 40%. They just increased the tax credit for homeowners from 26 to 30%, and they increased it for another 10 years. So the country really wants to push solar. You can equate it to, like, instead of right now, you are renting your power from the power company. This is owning the power. You own it. It's on your roof. If anything was to go wrong, it's yours. Like, you lock in your price today. So even if you get solar and you're at the same price as what you're paying, the savings are from the increases that would happen over time. You're going to be flat, so you can continue to be and you own that power and stay at that same price, which is pretty awesome. So here, like, no more renting your power from the power companies. Save up to 50%. 0 down financing options available. Here's about the tax credit. It does also increase the value of your home. They say on average nationally about 4.1% by having solar on your home. What is solar automation? This is an opportunity to have your solar business fully managed by our team. You purchase the leads. Our sales team works everything, works the leads. We close and install the solar jobs, and you get paid a percentage of the commissions. Transparency. So we've built this whole back-end system, which is going to be pretty awesome. There's a video down below on the page where you can watch and see like a video walkthrough of what it looks like. So we can get you onboarded into that pretty quickly once you sign up. Average solar job is about 48,700, which is about 8 kilowatts. Average commissions range anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 on a solar job. Right now, our leads are averaging between $65 and $95. So this kind of gives you an average number of what you would invest and how many leads you're going to get. This goes into, if you're in the 5 to 25,000 range, you're going to be at 30% of the profits. 25 to 50 puts you at 35% of the net profits. and 50,000 plus gets you 40% of the net profits on a solar job. Here's an example, like if you were to go in and purchase $15,000 worth of leads, that should be anywhere from 175 to 250 leads. That should get us to about 90 to 125 appointments, which should average down to about 9 to 13 closes. Let's say the average commission is 7,000. Total commission range would be anywhere from 63 to 91. That would, at 15,000, you'd be in that 30% profit range, which puts you between 18 to 27,000 in returns in about hopefully like a 3 to 4 month period. The partnership process is pretty easy. You sign the agreements and the funds into your wallet. You can get onboarded pretty quickly, get you up and running with your funnels and everything with hopefully within the first like 2 to 4 weeks. The team starts selling the leads anywhere from 30 to 60 days. You can track the progress on all these jobs and start getting paid out in probably about months 3 to 4. Get paid out after the installs are incomplete. National average install time nationally is 90 to 120 days, but due to labor base and equipment availability, 6 to 12 months is possible. So that's about it. Down here, there's a video. You can go on our page and watch it, and it kind of goes over the whole dashboard. So pretty exciting. We're ready. We're open and ready to go. We've had our first partner come in yesterday, and we're going to start his funnel. We're getting him onboarded today, and the funnels are going to start running, and we're going to start pumping out some solar jobs. So if you guys are interested, you can set up a call with us. I'll have the links on our site. Give us a call, and we can talk about how we could do this for you. And we also have financing options available to help finance some of this too. So you can talk to us about that and any of other opportunities as well. Thank you for your time.